Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change app icons on your iPhone's home screen. So basically, first thing you want to do is swipe from top to bottom to go on search and go to your shortcuts app. After this, you're going to click at the top right corner plus sign, and here you want to add action. After this, you're going to search for open app, click on this one. And then you're gonna choose the application you want to change. So let's choose, for example, this one. Then you're gonna click this chevron facing down, and then you can choose an icon. So as you can see here. After this, you want to choose add to home screen. And finally, you're gonna click add. And that's how you add and change app icons to your home screen. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.